Hello viewers, welcome to Codeforany. Online maintenance and service app insight. Today need to develop this here the rate of service UI need to develop here. Job completed after user given this here the ratings UI need to draw here. First of all need to see these designs inside the XD files. Look like this UI need to develop here this rate of pop-ups need to develop today. Let's start how to write down inside the letters. First of all, now need to go inside the screens and home screens, and then after need to select here's request or service screens. Now need to copy all codes and now need to create share the new files and to give this here the name rate of underscore service dot underscore screen dot dots like this need to write down and to paste this code here. Then after we need to write down here, change this here the screen name rate of service users, and now need to remove here and also need to removing here the buttons containers no needs. Now need to clean this here all things here. Now need to save, and first of all need to configure this here the more buttons need to temporary set here const dot post extension methods, and now need to calls here the rate service user screens and to write down here the const value, and need to set here like this. And now need to show here and click on more. Check here why not work. Click buttons need to not given this here the on press event. We need to fix this here. Save here. Now need to click and opening this here the screens. Now need to change this here the UI. Now need to go inside the rate of service. Rename this file names. We need to set here users because two files. So I need to replacing here, and we need to save this here. Then after need to clean here this all things. Now need to change this here the button name later, and another button names as a rate for service like this. Write down here and to restarting these apps. Click on here, search more, click on more, and to like this showing here this UI. And then after need to creating here the some space, and also need to set this here the box decorations border radius set here only. Need to set here the top left and top right, so need to set here the circulars 20 and also top right. Now need to copy here and to paste here and set here the const value and to fix this here the error. Set like comma and look like this here the curve UI. Now we need to give this here the some space size box height, so need to given this here the 25 and need to set this here the const value like this showing here, and now need to set here the center cross axis alignment. Now need to set here the titles of the text. We need to copying here these titles. We need to paste here. Now need to set here how was your job like this showing here the titles, and to set here the colors of white colors look like this showing, and to set here the const value. Now need to save, and again need to set this here the space like this showing here. And now need to show this here the username. Need to change this here the font as a 30, and colors need to set here the primary colors. Remove here's const value, and then after need to set here t colors primary. And now need to set here the titles Alex Harris, and look like this showing here. And then after need to write down here the ratings. We need to set here first of all need to find out here the rate of service. Now need to copy these years, and now need to go users, and we need to paste here. Now again copy, and we need to paste here. Now need to import this here the ratings plugins. Now need to change this here the heights. We need to set this here the 35. Look like this showing. And also need to unrated colors. We need to settings here the white colors, white 12s. Need to increase this here more 38, and more needs need to 54, like this showing here. And also increase this here height like this sets here, and set this here the 25. Like this UI are the creating similar to our designs. And tomorrow need to integrate here the Google Maps. We need to integrate inside these apps, and as well as need to custom markers we need to develop here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.